Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of hohoethisweek. It's your girl G, and I'm your host for today's episode. Now, before today's story, our proud sponsor for this episode is A1 Restaurant. They're located in Hohoe, and they got you for all sort of meals: breakfast, supper, dinner, lunch, dessert, anything at all. Just give them a call. They'll deliver to your doorstep. Now, into today's story. The member for Fodome electoral area has done something really, really commendable. And on this channel, when you do it, we'll say it. When you don't, we'll still talk about it. We talk about the good, the bad, the ugly. So today is the good stuff. The member, Amenyo Honorable, she took the initiative to donate mathematical sets to all final year BECE candidates. And that's some good stuff that is commendable. It is really, really good because we don't see these things often in our communities. So as a woman, not even the MP, she is the assembly member, and she took it upon herself to think about the kids, to consider them, to look out for them. It's something we should talk about. And if we have some of these things in our community, if you have assembly members in our communities doing these things, it makes the kids put in more effort, not just the kids, the community. We get to know that someone is looking out for us. Now let's watch some of the videos. So now seeing that video, I know it gives you some instincts, you saw that. I mean, sometimes it's the little things that makes the biggest difference. You just think it's just mathematical sets. Sometimes these kids are good. Some of these kids are really good, but they lack some of the basic educational amenities to make their learning easier. You get what I'm saying? So for someone to look out for them like this, it's in a way reduces the burden from the parent. That money that the parent is going to use to buy a mathematical set can be used to buy something else. You get? So this is, it looks normal, but it is not normal. To me personally, it is not normal. And it's something that needs to be talked about. So Madam Honorable Amenyo Akbena, we say very thank you. We say a big thank you, and we are looking forward to more of these things in the community. When you know that our leaders are looking out for us, we tend to put in the effort, we tend to do more of these things. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all on DS Online hohoethisweek. And it's your girl G. I'm your host for today's episode. And our sponsor for this episode is A1 Restaurants, located in Hohoe. Don't forget to give them a call. They'll serve you. Mikba.